Wake up. Break the simulation. Yeah.
Yo, check this out. If you have zero musical talent, you do not know a chord from a cable, but you want to create, I get it. You want to make that workout banger, that playlist for the road trip. Listen, I needed a theme song. So this is what I did for the channel. I went ahead, I heard about this AI tool, so I thought it'd be perfect opportunity for me to test it out, put it to work. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use two AI tools to do the impossible and write lyrics. One's gonna compose, the other one's gonna make music. Let's get to work. Okay, so I'm gonna tell her to keep it gritty. I want the Limp Bizkit style energy, but with tech lyrics. So let's go ahead, drop that in there. Boom. And we're gonna let Gemini cook, baby. Cook it up. Decipher the code. All right, looks like she nailed it. Let's go ahead and copy and paste. Now for the magic. We're here in Suno's creator section. If you haven't seen it before, it's basically a studio producer in a box. All right, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and drop the lyrics in there. I'm also gonna go ahead and create a style for this beat, which is gonna be this right here, okay? And then once I have the prompt for the two here, I'm gonna go ahead and have Suno cook it up. Boom. As you can see here, it is going with it. The Code of Joseph's the name of it. Question for you guys. While this generates, some people say using AI to make music is cheating. What do you think? Does this count as real art if I curated the vibe? Or is it just robbery? Let me know in the comments. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see, do we have that banger? Or are we handling a disaster? Let's go, I'm excited.
You think you're awake? You're just rendering.
Wake up. Break the simulation. Yeah.
Wake up! Break the simulation! Yeah. I'm the glitch in the mainframe, the error in the script. I'm the virus in the server that gave the system the slip. They try to track the IP, but I'm ghosted on a chain. Decentralized mind state, driving them insane. I don't want your blue pill, spit it on the floor. I'm kicking down the firewall, busting down the door. Ledger is cold, but the flow is volcanic. The algorithm's crashing, cue the global panic. They want you on the grid, they want you at the grid. The multi digital ID locked inside a cage. The bank, ignite the rays. This is the code of Joseph. We don't bend, we break. The code of Joseph. How much can you take? Decrypt, decryption, delete the control. We're money for freedom, we taking the soul. Get up, get up, get up. Decode the lie. Get up, decode the lie. Get up, decode the lie. This is the road of Joseph. Yo, I'm stacking up blocks, but I never play Tetris. I'm cutting the chords while you stuck in the matrix.
That was very good. I was not expecting that at all. Whoa. Wow. Did y'all hear what I just heard? Are we? Listen, telling you, it's the time of the director. We just directed AI on how to make a hit. We barely directed, but we still directed. And look, it's gonna be a problem.
The code of Joseph. How much can you take? Print the encryption, delete the control. We're mining for freedom, we're taking the soul. Get up, get